welcome to Recipes Tested. My name is Brianna Robinson, and today I'm actually going to be doing a collaboration with my friend here on YouTube. Her name is Miss Hobbs, and I will leave the link to her channel for the recipe down in the bottom below. But we're kind of doing a breakfast. We're doing a dinner and dessert, so I'm going to be making one of her yummy looking recipes. This is a cheeseburger meatloaf and it looks incredible. I am so stoked to make this recipe of hers. And she is going to be doing my grilled pineapple recipe that I did. So go check out her channel and all of her delicious recipes and tell her that Bree sent you and I say hi. And I'm pumped to make this. So if you guys want to see how this cheeseburger meatloaf turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing.
That was
Terrific. For my meatloaf, I just got going with my beef, breadcrumbs, and egg, Worcestershire sauce, my salt, and she said seasoning, so I just used Montreal steak seasoning because that's what I use when I make burgers, and quote, enough garlic to kill a vampire, so I put in a tablespoon of garlic powder and pepper. I got going on mixing that with a spoon, but as we all know, clean hands are a cook's best tool, so I just got in there with my hands and mixed that all together until it was all incorporated. And I got out my meatloaf pan and just started shaping it. She made hers in a 9x13 light glass pan, but I prefer using these so that the fat can drip down because I know that this grass-fed beef is particularly fatty. But then I just shaped it to my liking. And then I got going on laying my bacon. I ended up using 2 more strips than she used, but that's just because of the way I shaped my meatloaf. And then I baked it for 20 minutes and broiled mine because mine was fattier bacon. And once it was done, I put cheese on top and popped that back into the oven for another 10 minutes and squirted on some ketchup. And then put it back in the oven again for 10 minutes until the ketchup was kind of solidified and it was all done. So here's the meatloaf when it's all finished. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. This is really good. It's just like a cheeseburger patty without any bun. Super good. The beef is really nice and flavorful, and the bacon complements it perfectly. It's not too much smokiness or anything like that. This is definitely a winner. If you want a new meatloaf recipe or want to try something different, I definitely recommend checking out Miss Hobbs' video, and again the link will be down in the bottom below. So I would give this recipe a definite 10 out of 10. This is awesome, super good. All the flavors are just, they're there. I'm gonna go ahead and eat dinner here, so give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.